Hi and welcome to cheekyricho Cooking's super quick apple strudel. We've got some walnuts here. We're just going to put them onto baking paper. This is my nut browning tray. Pop them in the oven for a few minutes until you can just smell them in your kitchen. That'll release the walnut aroma. Okay, we've just got about a teaspoon of melted butter here. We're going to add our little sultanas, some brown sugar, or our walnuts when they come out. We're just going to peel a little Granny Smith apple, a lot of tart flavours in that. And we're just going to cut that into little pieces. One apple's enough for one little strudel. We've got one piece of puff pastry here. I'm just going to chop it up. Little tiny pieces with a good sprinkle of cinnamon. Mix that all around. Walnuts are going in next. We're just going to throw in some Panko breadcrumbs because they're nice and crispy. It's going to soak up some of that moisture and give it a little bit of body. Okay, our nuts are out now. Make sure you hold on to your paper before you tip the nuts off. I'm going to give those a rough chop too. Don't use ground nuts because you want to have some nice chunky pieces in here. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, now just mix that all around. Now, we've got our piece of puff pastry here and I have just cut it down into strips like so. I'm going to place our filling down the centre. There's probably enough filling here to make 2 strudels, but some of everything in there. Okay, just neaten it up a little bit. And then we're just going to fold in the ends, like so. And then bring our pieces, we'll cut that off actually. Lose that. Okay, now we're just going to fold in our ends like so. Now it's supposed to look quite rustic and you are going to have little bits of apple peeping out. Don't cut it on your baking paper actually, because if you do that you will find that, yeah, nice and neat. Now we're just going to bake that for about 20 minutes. Spray it with a bit of non-stick spray and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on the top of it. Into the oven we go. Now I've had enough apple mixture to make 2 of our little apple strudels. So the other one I'm just going to brush with some egg wash and sprinkle with some raw sugar. And that will give it a nice glossy coat with a crunchy topping on it. So as you recall, there's not too much sugar in this and Granny Smith are generally quite a tart apple. And we just sprinkle some raw sugar on the top of that. 2 pinches. Now we're going to bake it in a 375-degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven on our baking tray until it's puffed and golden and glossy on top, and it'll be ready to serve with a dollop of your favourite vanilla ice cream, maybe our apple pie ice cream, custard, natural yogurt, creme fraiche or some whipped cream. So into the oven we go. Okay, after 20 minutes this is what you should have. It's golden and brown and crispy. The apples are beautifully cooked. See the bottom, nice and brown as well. And there you have it. You could freeze one of these for later if you want to, or you can have one now and one for supper tonight. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of cheekyricho's super easy, very economical apple strudel. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our cheekyricho channel and don't forget to please subscribe. And do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, now you could sprinkle this with a little bit of powdered sugar, drizzle some glaze over the top of it if you want to, but why would you? This is piping hot, gorgeous, crisp and crusty from the oven. I'll just break it in half and show you what we've got here. Isn't that delicious? A little bite, shall we? Really hot. The other one, we're saving for dessert. Thanks for watching.